front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. And download free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 18 from Launcher Studio. When your app is ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I accept terms and conditions. I agree to terms and conditions, and then hit Continue twice. Now tap on while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. And click on Set as Default at the top. Beforehand, you can always adjust all of those options. You can always do that later on. Now, after tapping on Set as Default, just click on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default launcher, just go back to the same app. Click on Set as Default at the top and tap on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!